Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team,
And Lana Win.
and welcome to our latest listing.
It's a great opportunity for cash flow if you're looking for an apartment building. This is a 4-unit complex with upgraded units, and also they all have their own garages. It's built in 1980 and more than 3,500 square feet. I want to show you 8433 Kelley Drive in Stockton. As you can see, I'm inside one of the units, which all have been upgraded with laminate floors. They all have fireplaces. This one actually has a door that goes to the garage. And then the kitchen is all updated with new cabinets, new countertops, tile floors, and they all have their own backyard. Not only all units are updated, but they have central heat. All the rooms have fans to cool you in the summer, as well as an in-unit laundry. All the bathrooms have been upgraded and updated, so you don't have to worry about finishing anything.
The property gets some of the top-rated schools in Stockton, including Wagner Holt Elementary, Delta Sierra Middle, and Bear Creek High School. Within walking distance of the property is a park and ride, so you can take high-speed rail all the way with commuter service to parts of the bay. 2 blocks down is a Walgreens, as well as numerous restaurants. Thank you so much for taking the tour with us. For a cash flow analysis of this property or any others, please reach out to us